so many things to do today, so I don't even know why am I doing this today. My eyes were completely glued. Anyways, to take care of trash. Oh, should get rid of this one too. Hello and welcome to my channel.
Today I'm gonna take you guys with me to my first time ever putting eyelash with a professional.
I'm so excited to go to put them on, and I don't know how it's gonna be. I tried to do it myself at home and I took so much of my eyelashes. I don't even know why am I doing this today. You're probably wondering why everything is different. It's because we moved to our new home. I didn't make any vlog about that because there's nothing fun about it. It's just so much stuff to do. Still have boxes everywhere. This is how it looked like without eyelashes on, without mascara or anything. After I lost half of my eyelashes, like the line on the top is all gone. I have pictures of that. It happened like a few weeks ago. The person that I'm going to have the eyelashes on with is 1 hour 16 minutes away from here, which is a long way. It's okay, we'll go do it. I read so many good reviews about her, so I'm optimistic. Stay tuned. So I'm about to head out now. Someone purchased for me. I have to ship this box now. I have so many things to do today, so I'm gonna start right now. I haven't had breakfast. I'm gonna have to go get it to go and just start my day. So I just got to the place. I didn't eat breakfast yet, and I'm so tired. I've been driving for like 1 hour and a half. I came before time, like 20 minutes, so I'm gonna go to grab some food and then go and start the eyelash. As soon as I got my food, I'm gonna just leave it in the car till I come back. So I just got done with the eyelashes. I haven't taken a real look to it yet, but I like it. When I got done, my eyes were completely... I still feel shy, like from people looking at me using the camera. Anyways, my eyes were completely glued, and she took time to separate them, and I think that I lost already some lashes, maybe not. It's just, I don't know, it's weird, but this is my first experience, so we'll see. I don't know if I'm going to do it again with the same salon. It took like hours to do it. Let's see, 2 hours and a half to do this work. I have so much to do and I haven't eaten breakfast yet. I still have some stuff here. My food is still here. I just put it under the seat. Now I'm gonna have to do some errands and groceries, and then I'm gonna have to drive home for like 1 hour and a half if I'm lucky. So I didn't have the time to do anything. I went home. I had so much groceries to do, and yeah, and I just took care of. When you put your eyelash and you look so good and you get home to see your husband, he gives you something very special to take care of. Trash. A load of trash. It's okay, he brought me flowers. Since I am in a recycle, I should get rid of this one too. Now I'm driving home and I don't know if I'm going to put another video. I'm just super exhausted. I had to bring just food from outside, so
Confusion of the highest order.
Because I love the beach. Oh well, so the final result I'll show you guys when I get home, and we'll wrap up this video. Hello and welcome back. This is the next day of putting my eyelash. So this is almost like 24 hours. She told me not to rinse my face or put water on it. However, it was hard. I had to just remove makeup with makeup remover, and I hate to leave that on my face without washing. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Am I satisfied? Yes, I am satisfied with the result, but there is some, this is my first time to put eyelash, and I think that's why, or maybe I'm sensitive to one of the ingredients. I had a really bad headache last night. I don't usually get headaches, it's very rare unless I'm very sick. So that was our first one, the first time I get like a headache like that, and I think it's because of the eyelash. My eyes are a little bit hurting overall, not that much. I've already like had like this problem because I look too much at my phone, and I used to work on my videos on the laptop. I work on the laptop most of the time, and it's overnight or at bedtime, and the light is off sometimes. So yeah, that's another factor for it. Maybe like my eyes hurt a little bit, but the headache was bad. Am I going to do it again? I don't think so, because it looks pretty and it does change your look, but then it's fake. It's not your own eyelash. Since you have already your eyelash, why don't you just put natural stuff on it or some treatment to make them longer? This is how I see it for now. Maybe I'll change my mind in the future. I don't know. That's the future. So I don't think I'm gonna do it again. I have an appointment to refill the eyelash, which I'm going to do. And this time I'm going to tell her to just put them as full as she can, just to see that like dramatic look, how it looks like. So just a little clarification here. In the few weeks after putting the eyelash, my eyes were hurting really bad, and I had some serious headaches that I never had before, and my eyes were more sensitive to the light. It felt like super glue on my eyes the whole time, and when the fake lashes were falling, it was taking away my natural lashes also, and then for the rest of my natural eyelash, it left some residue that was really harsh and impossible to take off. I know if I go do the refill, it's gonna be a disaster, so I didn't go. I'm not sure if that's how fake lash are supposed to be. Let me know about your experience with fake lash in the description below if you had the same symptoms. For me, it definitely was a bad experience. So yeah, it looks great. I don't have to put like mascara anymore, not much eyeliner. She gave me some instructions that I should follow. Did I lose some eyelashes, like from the ones that are applied, not the real ones? Yes. I think it's because I put a wet towel everywhere. It wasn't so wet. Plus, this morning I was chatting with my sister, and we were laughing to the point where I was crying. My tears were everywhere. And she definitely told me not to put any water, not to have anything that's moisture in my eyes, and try to keep them dry for 24 hours, which I didn't do. So that's probably a reason. Our family makes a lot of jokes, and we do so many jokes, and we laugh most of the time. And this morning it was like that, couldn't stop it. And it's meant to happen. It's an experience, and we're experiencing this. She didn't feel comfortable to let me make a video about putting the eyelash, so I couldn't. Maybe another time if I do them again. Yeah, so this is it. I like it, but I don't think this is for me for now. A friend of mine told me that there is like a product that like you can put on your eyelash and it makes them grow and look thicker. Maybe I'll do that. So this is the final result. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, give me the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.